Come on, fight.
Say stop, you can fight.
No, I want to beat you up. Hey, hey, tap out. That's it.
And she does hitting and punching.
Punch.
I want to see more. I want to see more. No, but don't do that.
What are you crying for? I thought you was a fighter.
I'm still videotaping this stuff.
Oh. Oh.
I'm still videotaping this stuff.
Why you don't want to fight now?
Because I don't.
Alright, stand up. Let me go ahead.
Mommy, you know I'm still videotaping.
Get off! My goodness, I can't get away from this boy. Get off. Get off!
No.
Stop, sissy. Get off!
No.
1,
You got something from.
2,
You got mail from everywhere.
3, 4, 5. Get off!